Hey, if you are looking for new products to sell every day, brought to you today, 10 viral TikTok products for November 2022. Number 1. Exercise Apparatus. Now people are busy with work and have no time to exercise, which makes this small and home use product have a large market space. The price of this product is 20, the cost price is only 3, and the profit margin is 17. If you're selling home and fitness products, this product might make you a fortune. Number 2. Posture Corrector. Now people are obsessed with mobile phones, and many people have spondylosis. This product can effectively help people suffer from spondylosis and has a good market space. The price of this product is 44, the cost price is only 26, and the profit margin is 18. If the product you sell is aimed at young people and fitness people, this product may make you sell well. Number 3. Warm Wearproof Gloves. This product is not only very warm, but also waterproof. It is made of special materials, and will not stick to debris. The price of this product is 15, the cost price is only 5, and the profit margin is 10. If you are still looking for products to sell, this might be a good choice. Number 4. Gift Wrapping Machine. This product effectively solves the drawbacks of scissors that will scratch the hand, and has a broad market space and profit rate. The price of this product is 30, the cost price is only 4, and the profit margin is 26. If you are still looking for products to sell, you can try new products in this type of market, which may make you a lot of money. Number 5. Ear Piercing Gun. This product is small and easy to use, has a very broad market, and has a good profit rate. The price of this product is 14, the cost price is only 3, and the profit margin is 11. Follow me to share Shopify winning products every day.